Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create Animate Tree without any plugin. We will use the default model settings. There will be 3 to 4 steps to create the Animate Tree. Before going to start, please subscribe my channel. So here is our 3D tree model which we have to animate. First convert it to editable poly. Now we will select the leaf element. In the modifier you have to select all leaves by element ID. First you have to put the noise modifier on leaves. Click on Animate Noise. Adjust the strength. Not too much. And you can also adjust the scale level. You have to play and the moment is okay that you have to go to the next step. Now put edit poly. Off the noise modifier. Then select the leaves element again. Then you have to use soft selection. Increase the fall off of the soft selection. Use of the soft selection we can also show the moment in the tree bushes. Now add the noise modifier again. Make the normal strength. Control the moment. Then again put the edit poly. Now in third step put the bend modifier. Also we have to show the wind force, that's why we using the bend modifier. On the auto key, move the key. And little bit bend it. You have to adjust 3 to 4 keyframes like this. Play and check the moment is okay. In fourth step, turn on all the noises. And put the point cache modifier. Click on the new. Save the file where you want. And then click on record. So it will record the modifier movement. And it will take some time to save the point cache file. When it will be done, you can delete all other modifier. Now play and check. It's working. If you use the point cache strength option, you can make it fast and slow according to your scene. One more thing, the point cache is saved for 100 frames. If you increase the frames, it will stop after 100 frames. So you can adjust the range from point cache parameter. Or you can adjust it as you want. You can easily copy it. Hope you will like this tutorial. Please subscribe my channel for more informative videos, and leave the comment for any question. Thanks for watching.